National Business Systems manages data. We transform data for scanning purposes, for print and mail purposes. We transform data to our SOTA product, Secure Online Data Access, our web presentment. All those things required different workflows, which didn't allow us to standardize the processes and automation procedures that's required to be competitive in this industry.
One of the advantages that GMC has brought to NBS is standardization. Prior to GMC, there were many different platforms up in our programming area that we used to apply to the customer data. Now with one common platform and all of our programming resources on that platform, we're able to predict more accurately what the outcome or what the result of the data files is going to be, when we're going to get them, and schedule production to utilize the time better in both print and mail in an operation that is very fast-paced and operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Working for a smaller company like this, we usually just say yes first, and then we go back to the drawing board and try and figure out how we're going to do it. But having a tool like GMC has really helped in this whole process.
The primary pain point, again, goes back to the ability to have any programmer work on any project or workflow.
GMC has also brought automation to National Business Systems. The ability to accept files that are often sent at night from our clients without any interaction by a human being, but simply file movers, monitoring FTP sites, and moving files into production has enabled us again to predict when we need the resources in the print and mail operation to process the files for our customers and meet the service level agreements that are very tight for most of our customers.
The number one advantage, I would say, for GMC is the fact that you can visualize everything and see what you're doing as you're doing it with the compile on the fly. And so if it doesn't look right, you can kind of take a second, maybe tweak the program some way or another, and then compile again, and then everything looks better, then you know that you've got something good. Another advantage is the version control system. Having the version control system allows you to check out versions while other people are working on the same workflow, and to have multiple workflows out there. Just, maybe change the name to test. You could have test 1, test 2, whatever. It depends on how complex or how many programmers are working on it, but to be able to have multiple resources on those really tough projects that require a turnaround in a very short time, and I need to take 3 resources and say, hey, we got to knock this out, we got to figure it out. To have 3 programmers work on it at the same time, and then when everything is fixed and we come to a solution, just to be able to move that back into version control is just, and it's all seamless, is just a huge advantage.
Here at NBS, we often have current clients asking for new applications, or clients or potential clients coming to us asking if we can do things. At NBS, the answer is yes. We just have to know what the question is. What GMC brings to the equation is knowing that the answer is yes. NBS is now able to bring things to our customers when they want them, how they want them, as quickly as possible.